Yo, what up? I've been so excited for the Google Pixel 4 since they announced it's going to be unveiled on October the 15th. Now, we pretty much know what's coming because there's been so many leaks over the past months, but at least we get to hear it from the horse's mouth. Now, what I wanted to talk about was the price, because Ilara is saying the baseline version of the Pixel 4, so the 64 gig variant, is going to be priced at €819, which is around £723, which is about 890 something dollars. So, which doesn't seem too bad because that's near enough the same price as what the Pixel 3 was last year. Now, what's a little bit surprising is the price of the XL version, 128 gig storage variant. Ilara are saying it's going to be around €1,126, which is around £993, which is just over $1,200. Now, for that price, you're talking iPhone 11 Pro territory. Now, these currency conversions are only to give you a rough idea, but still, that big Pixel 4 XL looks like it's going to cost about the same as an iPhone 11 Pro. Now, for that sort of money, would you not get an iPhone 11 Pro? Okay, Google, stop. Okay, Google, stop. That's what happens when you have a Google Home in the same room when you're recording. Anywho, I suppose the question is, should Google really be trying to compete against the likes of Apple and Samsung in terms of pricing their handsets? Considering last year's Google Pixel 3a, the cheaper device, sold a hell of a lot more units since it was announced compared to the others. And for example, if I buy a iPhone 11 Pro today, a year down the line, I can sell it for a considerable amount compared to a used Google Pixel device. A Google Pixel device will lose a hell of a lot more money within the year compared to an Apple device. Anyways, I'm just waiting for October the 15th now so I can finally get a look at the Google Pixel 4 XL. I didn't go for the XL version last year, the Google Pixel 3 XL, because that notch was too humongous and ugly, so I went for the regular Pixel 3. But I love the operating system and the cameras are absolutely gorgeous. So, bring on October the 15th. See yous!